What's up guys, it's Matt, and today I'm gonna be teaching you the official DAI Shakira FIFA dance in under a couple minutes. We're gonna do it really fast here. It's really fun, really easy. You just have a big boom at the beginning, and then you have one more. I like to kick, but you can do whatever you want there. And then you're gonna hit a little 7, 8. Hips just hitting forward, you're saying, come here, come here. First thing you're gonna do when this song drops, the beat drops, you're gonna go right and 2 and 3 and ha. So my knees are going out, I'm leaning down and to the right. That's really important. You don't wanna be up here. That's gonna be awkward. You wanna be down to the side. A, 2, 3, other side. Go A, 2, 3, and hot. Then we're gonna chug, step on that right foot, push, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna grab with your left hand, A, 6, 7, 8. And again, my knees are going out. Notice how I'm going down, leaning, like putting a lot of style and attitude in it. You don't wanna keep this straight up, right? So here, A, A. Then from here, really easy, I'm just gonna go 1, 2, so I'm stepping right, left. I'm gonna hit 3, kind of body rolling up to knock, and then I'm gonna go a 4 and. So just hitting out, hips again, you can add that for fun, and then you're gonna hit a little 5, 6, 7, 8, just grooving back, knees go out. That's it, that's the whole dance. So from the top, we got boom, dot, 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 and boom, 6 and 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, clap, other side, A, 7, you chug, go push, 2, 3, get low, 5, 6, last part, you go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. If you do this dance, make sure you tag me, tag Shakira. I can't wait to see your videos, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you on the next one.